Good morning, children. So, this is your first class of French, and that too, an online class. So, children, let me introduce you, let me tell you some basic thing about this language. First of all, French. French is an European language. The origin country is France, and French is known as Francais in French. So, this is your book, children. You are having two books. One is Méthode Français, second is Cahier d'activité, Cahier d'exercice. This is a workbook. Okay. I hope you all have purchased these two books. If not, then please purchase it. Book is very important because most of the part, I think around 75% of part you will do in book only. 25% we will write in notebook, so you have to make a medium size notebook as well. Whenever I'll tell you to write some points, you have to note down those points in your notebook. So the very first chapter is leçon 3. Leçon means lesson. Okay, lesson number 3, you are having la alphabet. La alphabet, it means alphabets, the alphabets. In any language, alphabets is the basic thing we learn. Okay, so as you can see, I have write down these alphabets in a piece of paper, and the alphabets of French are same as English, A to Z. There are 26 alphabets, but the pronunciation of alphabets are totally different. As you can see, I have noted down the pronunciation with blue pen. You can find out in your book as well. Okay, like A is known as A, B is known as B, C, D, U, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Children, in French, there is no sound of D and T. Like whenever you have to say D, so you will pronounce it they, not day. Whenever there is a word or alphabet T, you will pronounce it they, not te. Okay. In English, we are having 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. In French, we are having 6 vowels. Number 1 is A, E, I, O, U, and H. H is also considered as a vowel in French, sometimes Y as well. Depends upon the condition. So, total number of vowels are 6 in French. What you have to do, children? In your copy, first page, write down the lesson number, heading, note down these alphabets, write the pronunciation in English. Okay. Similarly, like I have done in this page, fine. I will be sharing one link as well. In that, it will be more convenient for you to learn these alphabets pronunciation, revise it, practice it at home. And based on these alphabets, I am giving you two questions as well. So I told you, écrivez l'alphabet et onto les voyelles. It means write the alphabets and circle the vowels. You can do like this. Second one, écrivez le nom souvent appelé en français. Write down these 5 names: Robert, Paul, Patricia, Valerie, Anish. And you have to spell in French. For example, R is known as ah, O, O, B is be, E is R is ah, and T is they. Similarly, you have to finish these questions. When the school will reopen, I will check your notebook and you will be assessed according to this work only. So be very, very particular. Whenever I am telling you any homework, any thing to note down, you have to note down in your notebook. Okay, so revise it at home. Do these questions. That's it for today. Thank you.